Have you ever wondered why some gardeners seem to have a magic touch, while your tomato plants struggle just to stay green? Well, it's not magic, it's science. And today, I'm going to show you the one simple planting secret that can increase your harvest by 10 times. Most people bring a new tomato plant home from the nursery. Dig a hole just deep enough for the root ball and call it a day. But if that's all you're doing, you're leaving massive amounts of fruit on the table. Take a close look at the stem of your tomato plant. See those tiny fuzzy white hairs? Those aren't just for decoration. Every single one of those hairs has the biological potential to become a root. So here is pro method, the deep trench. Instead of planting your tomato upright, we're going to lay it on its side. I know it sounds crazy, and your plant might look a little sad for the first hour. But trust the process. First, dig a shallow trench about 6 inches deep. Snip off the lower leaves, leaving only the top cluster. Lay the plant horizontally in that trench and gently curve the top, upward above the soil line. When you bury that long stem, the plant will begin developing roots along the entire submerged length. Within a week, you won't have a standard root ball. You'll have a massive, aggressive underground engine capable of pulling in double the nutrients and triple the water. This massive root system is your insurance policy. In the heat of July and August, while your neighbor's plants are wilting and dropping blossoms, your trench tomatoes will be thriving because their roots are deeper and stronger. Combine this with a high-calcium organic mulch and consistent watering at the base, and you won't just be growing a garden, you'll be running a tomato factory. If you're ready to have the best harvest of your life this year, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2026 growth hacks, and let me know in the comments, what variety are you planting this season? Happy gardening!